What's up, what's up, what's up? Welcome back to Making the Dean's List on the 25th of the month. Got two of my daughters, my two son-in-laws in there behind me. We're out playing on the beach on this 25th day of the month. But I'm still thinking about Proverbs, still read my 25th chapter. And verse 8, do not hastily go to court. This is one that's easy to apply to our business. I know we can get busy. I know it's tough to slow down sometimes and handle things one-on-one. But I promise you that's the better way to do it. I think the Bible's telling us that. Go one-on-one when you've got an issue with somebody. Go multiple times. Try to solve things without others having to get involved, especially the courts. All right, hope this helps. Have a great day. We're going to have a great day. A blessed week. We're going to have a blessed week. And I want you to have a good month too.